Good afternoon. I'm going to be showing you how to upload your essay for your assignments in your courses. So first we'd like to go to the NSBT login. You'll put your username and password as you already know how to do, and you log in. As you come into your dashboard, you'll have your courses again, and you want to go into your course on leadership for ministry and global context. Again, as you open up, you are in your dashboard within the course. And so let's go to where you would find the assignment, the essay assignment for this week. There's a couple places. First, in lessons, week 2, you'll see as you look down, you have 2.1 discussion and 2.2 essay. So you'll go to 2.2 essay. This is within the lesson, and then you get your instructions here, and then you submit your essay. Obviously, what this assignment is calling for is you want to turn in an essay approximately 600 words that addresses what the process by which persons were called or selected for each of the 4 leadership roles identified in Stevens's book, and which one is the closest to your own experience of being called to ministry. That is what the essay that you will be working on. Then you click submit essay, and then you'll have the online editor, and then you have here the comments and here the attachment. You see the essay, how much it's worth, what it's due, and the rubric for that essay, what the Dr. Urban is looking for. What you want to do is, for all essay assignments, we're requiring students to do Word documents to upload and not use the online editor. So you would want to upload it here, and I'll show you in a moment. But this is one place. Again, you go to lessons, week 2, the essay, and go to the submit essay, and that's where it's at, and I'll show you in a minute. The other place that you go to is to assignments as well. You can go to assignments, and here it's going to be the listing of all your assignments, and you want to go to 2.2 essay assignment, and it takes you directly there. So again, you can go to lessons, and within the lessons, go to the page where the 2.2 essay assignment is at, and then you want to go to submit essay, and it'll take you to this page. And as you see, under assignments, the steps are a little shorter to get to, and it'll take you right to the assignment. The instructions are here as well. So this is what you want, but let me show you what your essay assignment should look like. I'll open up the one just as a formatting of what it should look like. So you'll notice that it's a Word document that I have here, and let me make it a little bigger so you can see. You're going to have a title page. The title of you can make it 2.2 essay assignment as far as the name of the file. Easier for you to organize your essays, because you'll have one practically every week. Here's your title page. You want to have the title. I just kind of put this, the process of selection in Stevens's 4 leadership roles. You'll want the name. It should have the name of the student here, student name here, which should be your name right there, and then the title of the course and the due date of the assignment. So title, and it's bolded as you see, and then this is double space, and this is double space here, and student name and leadership and ministry global context of course, and then when it's due. Then the content, as you notice, it has to be 600 words. Approximately, it's about 2 pages, because the first page is your title page, and your title page has no numbering. Then you have page 2, and then page 3. If you notice the title again, and then here's the content. It's about 2 pages long. When you about 6 paragraphs and you notice about 600 words. Okay, so So that's the essay. Let me close that out. Say save, and then basically again. So you went into the assignment. We got to this page, and you're going to upload a Word document. Don't put in the online letter, but here you'll basically click here. It'll give you a drop-down window for where you have the document. Again, here's the document. I double-click on that. It uploads it, and I would recommend to write a comment. Dr. Irvin, here is my essay. And then basically a little comment, and you press post. I'm not going to do so right now, but this is how you can do it, and it basically posts it up to uploading it there. So that's what you want to do. Again, you upload. Again, I'll show you that again. Drop, click on that. It lets you again open that up. It'll load it up for you, and then you basically write a small message, Dr. Irvin, and click on post. All right. So what I wanted to say though, when you're going to write your essays, I want to show you again two places you can go. You can go to the tutorial that you have on about writing skills and research, and also you can go directly to your library link on the top. Go to links. Here's the D12 for the library, but here's where you want tips on formatting. Remember, title page, it'll show you how to do the title page. So if you notice, it's the same outline that I just did for the paper, and I would recommend that you go there again. Simply, it's one of the again, you go to library, links, and then scroll down to tips on writing on paper. You got the template for the margins, the template for the title page. That's the one I just clicked open. And then introduction and conclusion, your main text. That'll kind of help you. Oh, that was an error. Let's go back. I'm not sure why that's the case. Introduction, conclusion. Here you can see the intro, like that, and then you tell the different instructions for that. Again, you want to go to links in the library, scroll down to the formatting part of the essay. So you'll probably, for the essay, you'll just probably need to look at the margins and the page numbers for the margins. Okay, that'll help you understand how to do that. Those would probably be, and also the other one was the title page. Help you see how you do the title page, and possibly the introduction as well. I'll give you some examples. Again, going back to the assignment, you can go to, remember I said into lessons, week 2, the essay, and submit. Click there, or you can go directly to the assignment, to go into the essay assignment, and you're here again. How to do that one more time, you're in this window. You want to select drop, it'll open your window. You got already your formatted essay. You double click on it or open, and it uploads it. You write a small message to Dr. Irvin, you press post. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Just a little guide for you to know where to go when you're going to upload your essays for Dr. Irvin's class this week.